Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account on Fiverr. Alright, I'm already on the website, but if you want to see it from the beginning, let's go to Google, search for Fiverr, and then right here, click on fiverr.com. Then from here, what we want to do is we do join. Then you can go continue with Google. That is very simple to do. So if you have a Google account, please do that. I recommend that. But for today, we will show you exactly how to sign up with just an email. So we click on continue with email. Then I fill in my email just right here. And a password. Alright, then we do continue, then we do a username, something like this, create my account, then they send a confirmation code to our email, there it is, this is the confirmation code, let's go, and right now, he is logging in, and to be honest, this is our account. Now, this is a little setup. So what we need to do now is click on continue, select how many employees you have in your company. Now this is just me, I'm the owner, CEO. Then we do finish. And now he is setting up our account on Fiverr. So if you can see, he is pointing out some stuff. Now, welcome to the essential subscriptions, here are all features. And right now in a few seconds, you just created your Fiverr account. So this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.